Good morning, it's Saturday. I'm gonna head to the farmer's market and bring you guys along with me. Okay, I've arrived at the market and I'm just gonna encourage all of you to go to your local farmer's market. What you wanna do ahead of time is maybe go to their website and see what requirements you have at your market. My market, you cannot bring your own reusable bags like I'm used to bringing. So I didn't bring my bags and I need to wear a mask. So I'm gonna wear my mask. If you need to go to the market manager stand, let's say you want to get the tokens, you're gonna stop by the market manager stand, you can do that. If you have EBT benefits, you can swipe your card there and double your money at the market manager stand. Okay, so I'm gonna go select my produce, and when we get home, I'll show you what I got and how I'm gonna use it this week. So I'm just following the marks here for where to stand to wait. Regular beets and golden beets.
Oh, good. Thank you. How are you doing?
Good, how are you? Can I also have some of the little white turnips? How are you, Veronica? I know, it's hard. Wow, everything looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Is the weather good for you?
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
See you soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm back from the market. I want to show you what I got. It's not very organized. I'm going to pull things out. We'll see what I got. So, we'll start with this big bag. See all these greens sticking out of here. I got a little excited because it's beet season. So these are a cool weather. Look at these golden beets. Aren't they beautiful? And these greens, so the thing about beets is a lot of people may not know, you can use the greens. So I'm gonna probably, before I stow the beets in the fridge, I'm gonna cut the greens off, get them washed and cleaned. You can use these in a soup. They're tender enough that some of them can be used in a salad. So I'm gonna save those greens. And so those are the golden beets, but look at these purple beets. And here they are. I got 2 bundles of these because I like, I'm gonna roast some of the beets, but I'm also gonna have some for a salad. So I'll boil them and slice them, maybe even give them a quick pickle and have them for salad. The other thing you can do, beets are actually tasty raw too. If you just shave them really thin or do them on your spiralizer, you can just drop them on top of a salad and they're delicious raw. These I'm really excited about. These are, I don't know what they're called. I just call them baby turnips, but they're these little white turnips. And if you're not a turnip fan yet, try these little ones because they are so tasty. They don't have as strong a bite as a regular turnip, and I love them just roasted. Olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast them, and they are delicious. So I'm excited about those baby turnips. Okay, let's see what else we have. Always a favorite in our house is the baby Bok Choy. So look how beautiful these are. So they're a great cool weather crop. So get the Bok Choy while it's happening here in this late spring season. Once it gets too hot, you won't find these like this. I'm gonna do the Bok Choy noodles with these. So you'll find those on the website. This, always a great thing to have on hand. I have the purple and the white scallions. You can use the whole thing, so I love to use these for stir fries, curries, anything like that. So I'll have plenty of those for the week. Some special treats is the fresh asparagus. It's asparagus season, so treat yourself to some asparagus. I'm just gonna simply roast these. Find the roasted asparagus recipe on the website. That's gonna be for dinner one night. And then also in the cool weather, our friend broccoli likes to grow. And you can see this looks different than when you get the broccoli in the grocery store, which is like usually a really big head and a big stalk. Look how tender this is. You can eat almost all of this broccoli. So I'll chop all of it up and use it all in a stir fry, probably with some of these scallions too. And then two final special treats that are seasonal. Fresh snow peas. These are gonna be great in the stir fry as well. Plus I'll save some just to nibble with hummus. And then it's strawberry season, so treat yourself. Let me open these up so you can see. Treat yourself to some fresh strawberries. Okay, that's my farmer market haul for this Saturday. I really encourage all of you to explore your local farmers market and support your local growers and get yourself some beautiful in-season fresh produce.